My name is Antonio Cortez from Chesterfield, Michigan. So far, everybody here is very knowledgeable. I have absolutely no experience whatsoever with using any kind of polishers. So having everybody here, people with ranges of experience from 20 plus years to 5 to 10 years, it's just really helpful, and everyone just wants to see each other succeed. Hoping to help my business kind of take off to the next level, because detailing cars will get you somewhat far, but having extra tools and abilities to protect the car's paint is just something that I can't.
My name is Christopher Chilton. I'm from Galena, Ohio. I'm really enjoying it, learning how to prep a vehicle properly, which compounds to use depending on the condition of the vehicle. It's really helpful. I'm definitely going to use it to upsell my washes, especially with the ability to list it on Carfax that a car was done with a Jade ceramic. I think that's going to be helpful with customers to know that they have that security of an additional bonus to help selling their cars. Oh yeah, absolutely. If you're wanting to learn how to do it the right way and how to position it, I would highly recommend coming.